Hi, welcome to That's the Watch. Here is another unboxing for you. I recently bought a watch from AliExpress, the Tandorio, and let's have a look, shall we? So this is just a normal cardboard box. Comes with a microfiber cloth, and here is the watch. Let's set it aside first. What else is there? So this will be just user manual, Tandorio tag, and warranty. Okay. So let's take this out. Looks really nice. I bought this from AliExpress. I've always wanted a California dial, and I wanted to try the PT5000 caliber. So this is a PT5000 caliber with a nice looking California dial. There's another sticker here to peel. It's really nice. Okay, let's do some measurements. This is 38 millimeter. The lug to lug will be 47.5. The height is at 14. It's not bad. Let's put it on a wrist and see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks on my 6 3/4 inch wrist. Looks nice. It comes with this rubber strap, which is really comfortable as I should say. And very interesting embossing at the back. I can't really see clearly. Yeah, can you see? Okay. This is a 200-meter water resistant watch with sapphire crystal, PT5000 movement, as I said, stainless steel. Okay, I'll be wearing this for a couple of weeks and I'll come back with a full review. Thank you, and see you in the next video.